your bio and contact information, right? And in here, you want to basically say, I want to basically come in and show this buyer your home. When can I stop by? And they call you. How many people what percentage of people are going to respond? 40%. Set expectations for your buyers. This is huge right here. I could do a whole training on this. Set expectations for your buyer. Yeah, I want you to, here's a list. I want you to go out, drive around, make sure you like the neighborhoods, the ones you like, send me back the addresses. I'm gonna look in the tax records for the owner. I'm gonna send a certified letter to them. And I'm gonna include the property listing, your approval, a letter from you, my bio, and my contact information. But I want you to know this, Ms. Smith, only 40% are gonna respond. Only 4 out of 10. So I need you to look at as many as possible. And they go, oh, okay. So that means if you only look at 10, we can only expect 4 people to respond. Okay. Okay. They go, oh, okay, Anthony. Yeah. Man, that's different. That's not average. This is above average. It costs me $2.95 per letter. In fact, all I got to do is go to the post office and grab the green certified labels, and I can go to, when I drop at the post office, I can pay for it myself. I don't have to even stand in line.
You can have those mailed to you for free.
There you go. Another resource. You can have them mailed to you, right? So I'd have, I'd have 100 of them. Well, depending on my budget. Let's assume I'm a broke real estate agent. I'd have 10 mailed to me. I'd have 10 on deck ready to go. You don't believe me? Test it for yourself. But you should believe me and save yourself. Okay. This right here alone, when your buyers see you doing stuff like this, go on the internet and tell people this is what you do. This is a video right here. You can take this slide, recreate it, and have it playing with you talking. And this is a 15-second TikTok video right here. 30 seconds. I don't know how long you have to be on TikTok, but whatever it is, shorter the better. This is a reel. You can do a reel. Everybody's watching reels now, right? This is your reel. It could be titled something different. How to get access to homes not on the, and just tell people what you do. This is what I do for my buyers. I'm working with a guy, so he's working with me. Never bought a home on MLS. You can use me. You can interview me. I don't care. Whatever it's going to take for you to be successful. Cool beans?
Cool beans. Yep.
Here's the last piece. What makes you different than most agents? What is your unique selling proposition? Okay, if you're on my team and you want banners like these, hit Remy up. You don't have to pay for it. Just hit Remy. You want banners like these? We got plenty of them. No shortage of banners, right? Why would somebody do business with you above and beyond every other agent in your marketplace? Okay, you need to tell the world why. And it's only what benefits them. We can get you access to homes not on MLS. If you're a seller, we can guarantee your price. We have our buyers pay cash at your price and closing time in your time frame. We can get you a guaranteed cash offer.
Sure can.
Okay. Just so you know, 2 things I've been training in my Wednesday meetings, and I don't have a Wednesday meeting this week. So I know some of you guys sent agents last week to our Wednesday meeting that joined EXP, which is awesome. Next week I'll be doing it. But what I'm training in our meetings is, everybody talks about Mark Spain. I'm like, Mark Spain's a good friend of mine. He doesn't even have 10% of the market share in Atlanta, right? He closed 1,800 deals last year in Atlanta. So his cash offer program works like this. No secret. I've told Mark a million times. We come from the same coaching program, which was Craig Proctor. He was in the same coaching program I was. Comes to your house, has real estate agents come to your house, and they give you an offer at 70% of market value. And then they give you a second option is selling it the traditional way. But he markets what? The cash offer program closing in 21 days. Now, this is what you guys know. If you had a beautiful home that somebody was willing to sell for 70% of market value, you have a lot of options. Number one, you could drop it in your database or mine, 15,000 to 16,000 buyers, and sell the home in 1 hour. you could do our epic open house system, right? Where you can drive all the buyers to one location for a 1 hour open house, which is, Lauren, what we're gonna do with your property that you want to meet with me on later today. That's what I'm gonna tell you. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it out the market, we're gonna put it back on the market. We're gonna do an epic open house system, and it's gonna sell Saturday, guaranteed, or Sunday, no doubt about it. As long as it's priced right, I gotta price it, right? So the third piece, you can do a hard money loan, and you can buy it under 75% of market value, and then put it back on the market, and like get you a hard money loan that's good for 4 or 5 months, because you guys know if it's an FHA price point, in order to get a higher price, you have to sit on it for 90 days, right? Follow me. If you're not with me, do you guys know this stuff or not know this stuff? You know, if you buy a house for 100,000 and you know it's worth 150, and somebody does an FHA loan, you cannot sell it for 150 for 90 days, unless you got to jump through a lot of hoops. So you sit on it and you put it on the market on the 91st day, and you do our epic open house system, and you sell it, and you make the money. You make the other 30%. You've done this for years. So you